Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As we can see here, we are looking at Matic or Polygon on the daily time frame. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe and get involved in the content. As you can see here, the downtrend, the heavy downtrend that we were in for Polygon has finally abated. In this area here, you can see I did have this downtrend kind of labeled on. Every time we'd hit this resistance, we'd pretty much just fall back under it or just directly reject from it and continue down until we got down into this key area down here in and around that 50-cent big psychological support at 50 cents for Polygon. And you can see since then we've come down, back tested, broke out, back tested, and then continued and got some relief back into this area of structure here. You can see there's a massive amount of structure and support for Polygon in this area, and you can see we've had a very nice little bounce off the low, really getting a bit more of an overextension here to the upside. But overall, Polygon looking like, as I said before, it is just coiling up in this big bull flag that you can see here, or pennant formation, or whatever you want to call it. Support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance, and now we've hit support again, and now heading back up to the just almost now back at the middle of this big coiling motion that we're seeing for Polygon. This crypto has been doing very well during the bear market, although it has hit some hard times recently here. You can see obviously we had this nice bullish movement during the first part of the bear market, but this year, ever since we came up here from that move at the start of the year, headed up to around $1.50. We've actually had a really big decline on the price action, as you can see, but now getting some joy now that it's back at support. And I do think this is a crypto that will probably do well long term. I can imagine this being $10 plus in the next bull market, for example, although the market cap may be slightly prohibitive at those kinds of levels. But if you look at the Fibonacci extension here, let me just make sure this is in the right place. Sometimes they do get a bit squiffy. As you can see, we've obviously got some very nice extensions here, and you can see on the chart here the 161 at about $12. That'd be a nice little 10. Is it, what are we looking at there? 10, maybe it's more like a 20x, isn't it, from 66 cents? Almost a 20x from the current price would be obviously a very nice gain indeed on a crypto that is well established, and probably some would say not as risky as smaller caps. Probably consider this a large cap crypto since it's in the top 50. Medium cap maybe. Basically what I'm saying is not as risky as some of those lower plays in the market, but obviously not going to have those crazy 100,000x returns that you'd probably see on some smaller caps that are super risky. But will be interesting to see what happens next with this, looking like it is just playing out very nicely. The weekly time frame really just looking like a big move to the upside, coiling up, and you know, heaven forbid we got some of these I mean, a technical target like that would be absolutely insane, wouldn't it? Heading up to $100 from here would be very unlikely, I have to say, in my opinion, at least in this bull market, maybe even in the next bull market. But things going to be looking pretty good for Polygon. It's going to make some good gains, I think, and overall the chart looking very promising indeed. Really not that much to say apart from the fact that we are just waiting and seeing what's going to happen next. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below. Love you all very much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.